Hello and welcome to Lost in the Sauce with your host, I'm Gracie.
And I'm Tanis Beak.
Today we're going to be making a banana blueberry pie, or a no bake pie. Tanis, let's tell them the ingredients.
You got yourself some bananas, some, I told you I'd forget. Cool Whip, sugar, and blueberry pie filling.
Okay, so first we're going to start off. Oh, we also have our pie crust.
I did that on purpose.
So first we're going to start off by cutting up some bananas.
I thought I was bleeding. It's just blueberry filling.
So once you get the banana out of the peeling, you're just going to kind of cut them up. Kind of slim, but about.
Here, let's make sure all the cameras can see your cutting. Doing fantastic. That's a great job, actually.
Thanks, Tanis. Tanis, do you like to cook?
I love to cook, but I just don't have a lot of variety. So I cook top ramen, of course, and Spam, and bacon.
Spam?
Oh, fettuccine Alfredo.
Ooh, that's the good stuff.
Mac and cheese. Yeah, but I'm not into all that fancy stuff.
It's easy when you have a recipe to follow.
That's true.
All right, Tanis, now I'm just gonna.
Yeah, I'm just doing this cut.
Whoa.
You can go on to the next step while I.
All right, so he's gonna start chopping up his bananas, and I'm just gonna put the bananas at the bottom of the pie crust.
Separate that.
I'm just forming it in like a little line. You want to make sure your bananas line the whole edge of the pie crust. And if you have some extra, it can go in the middle.
I'm gonna do a smiley face in mine.
Sounds good.
Because why not? Because peace, love, and positivity.
This is a really easy pie recipe for if you're in a hurry or just want some pie. So that's what the bottom of the pie looks like. And while he is lining his pie crust, I'm going to go ahead and start the mix. And for this, you're going to take this whole thing of Cool Whip.
We're good.
And just put the whole thing in here.
The whole entire thing?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. This smiley face, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to just do it like you.
Okay. I'm just gonna. Now you're gonna take your cream cheese. And you take the whole thing of that too.
Okay. I'm gonna throw away the extra bananas.
Tanis, can you measure me out 1/3 cup of sugar?
I may. Alrighty. I know some of these words. Okay, I got it.
Yeah, right there.
Yep.
I'm just gonna drop all of this cream cheese.
That might be too much sauce. No, that's good.
Too much sauce. I'll just put that in there. Perfect.
Whew.
Now we're gonna put this on low where not everything goes everywhere.
That looks delish.
You gonna try?
Like dip my finger in it?
No, like stir it.
Oh, I thought you meant try it out, like see how it tastes. Oh, let me get that. I'm gonna just. Ooh, don't know about that. You gotta make sure you whip it good. Oh, see.
Make sure to get all the sugar that's like on the sides.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a little bit clumpy still. All right, go ahead and whip it again.
Turn the speed up a notch. All right, stir some more.
All right. You gotta get that good texture. If it's not good texture, then it's not good.
That looks pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah, feels great, looks great, and I'm sure it'll taste great.
All right.
Alrighty.
Now,
You can set that over there too.
this is what's gonna go on the second layer of the pie.
Yes.
Then just try to. Here. You can use this. Not this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
We're gonna have to try to use this.
I don't think that's gonna work, but. Oh, and make sure it doesn't pick up the bananas like I just did. Because that is what you call a neck.
A what?
A neck.
Oh yeah. This one.
Yeah, that's for sure not gonna work.
Whoa, Tanis.
I'm just gonna make sure that it all gets on. And this is probably gonna be my last scoop, and then I will evenly disperse it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. And you don't even have to bake it. That's the great thing. It's so fast and quick.
This part's a little difficult. Trying to get it over the bananas and.
If there was a first layer that could hold the bananas a little bit easier. I wonder if it would be any different if we put this first and then the bananas over top second.
That could be something we try next.
Yeah. Alright. So I'm guessing that looks about done.
Here, put a little bit more on yours.
Alright. Gracie, what are your favorite things to cook?
I like pastas. Like our last episode of the chicken Alfredo.
That was a great episode.
That was really good.
Yeah.
And brownies.
Ooh, so you're a baker.
Yeah, I like desserts and I like making homemade pizzas too. You can
Okay,
get
yeah.
more.
No, I think it's about good. I don't want to overdo it, but I will overdo it. Shout out to my homeboy, DJ 3JS's. He's my universe, as some may know. And when we're done cooking it, he can be our tasting guest. He could come taste it.
Yeah, to come on the show and
Yeah, tell us how he thinks. Is yours good? I think mine's ready.
here, let me
You
use
wanna?
yeah.
And then what's the next step that we do?
Now we take the blueberries.
Uh-huh.
Hang on, let me get all this off.
Okay.
And disperse it evenly on the top.
All right.
So-
So just kind of pour it,
Yeah.
or like,
Hang on.
should I use a spoon? I think I'm just gonna go for it.
Here, you can use the spoon.
All right, I will here in a second. Let's just Ooh, that looks delish.
Delish.
Do you want to scoop that off so it doesn't drip?
Yeah.
And then you just spread her on top. Let me get a little bit more. Dang, it actually looks really good.
It smells good.
Yeah, it does. I can smell it through my allergies.
Smells like blueberry muffins.
It really does. Oh, that should be our next thing. It's blueberry muffins. And I'm thinking that's the finished product, huh? For me, at least.
Yep.
I don't know if you're doing. So let's go ahead and give the audience here a good look at what we have.